From flat to fantastic, master 3D typography with me in Canva. So let's start with it. I am choosing YouTube thumbnail as my canvas, and to make this effect, first I will go to text here, scroll down to find typecraft, and after opening the app here write island. Okay, and for the font I will choose Anton regular 123, and go to back, change the color to white, and after that here come to edit shape, make the text bigger, now let's make this one bigger and this one smaller to make a oval effect like this. Okay, and the oval effect or the curve effect here is done. Now I will just add the element to design. So design is added, you can't see it because it is in white and also the background is white. So to differentiate it, I will go to elements here and use shape and cover the shape with the text and change the shape to a color which is darker than this one. Let's make it this one, and layer send to back so that I can bring the text image to the front. Now this is done. Now I will go to share, download. Make sure you are downloading as PNG, click on download. Okay, so the downloaded image, let's bring it to the new page. Make it to the same size as the canvas. Just crop another part so that I can check if the background is removed or not. So I will click on BG remover. So to check if the background is removed or not, I will click on the outside of the page and click on background color and just change to any color I want. And as you can see, the background is removed for the text. Now I will add an image to it, and for this image I will use this island image, which is Caribbean island and free to use for Canva Pro users, and I will bring it here, right click it and go to there, send to back, and just place it right here. Okay, and just crop it. And now change the color also for the background to this same dark gray color. So as you can see, when I zoom in, you will find a dark black color here. So to remove that, I will just crop the image. And as you can see, the dark layer is removed. Now I will just go to share again and download it again. Make sure you are downloading only the page 2 or the current page here. Click on download. And after that, click on add page, change the color to white and add this design here. Make it to the same size as the canvas. Use the BG remover. Now that this is done, now just crop out till you can see only the text and duplicate it. Use one image, just cut it using Ctrl+X and paste it using Ctrl+V, and here I will click on edit, go to adjust and decrease the brightness to 90, -90 to be precise. Use this image, just zoom in and place it downwards and duplicate it. Move it 2 times up, holding the arrow key in the keyboard. Again duplicate it, place it here. Again move it 2 times up and again duplicate it. Move it 2 times up. Now select all of them and duplicate them. Place it here, just group them, and after that move them 2 times up and ungroup them, select all of them and duplicate, and place it right here slightly upwards. Again duplicate, again duplicate. So as you can see, the design is ready. Now select all of them and place it right here. The 3D part is ready. Now the final work is needed to be done. Just bring this image here and paste it right here, and as you can see, it is looking good. For the final adjustment, you can just use the stroke style here with the weight and change the stroke color to white. So as you can see, adjustment is here, and after that, for more enhancement, use this coconut tree cutout here and use it in the canvas. Make it smaller so that I can align with the image and rotate it. Okay, place it right here and duplicate it, flip horizontal and bring it right here and rotate it again. So as you can see, the image is ready, and just Ctrl A to select all of them and make it bigger. So as you can see, our design is ready, and you can make similar designs like this in Canva with this 3D typography effect. So let me just revise you with the steps. So the first step is making the typography with using the Typecraft app. Next, border it with a box of square shape and make it with a dark gray color. Then download it, clicking on share, and make sure you are downloading it as PNG. And in the next step, re-upload the image and remove the background. Place the image of the Caribbean island and set it, and after that change the background color to the same dark gray color and just crop out the part so that no dark color line is coming here. Okay, and then download it. After downloading, re-upload it and make 2 copies by duplicating it. The one layer which we will be making the 3D part will be in the adjustment part, which I will just decrease the brightness, and after that keep on duplicating till we get the 3D part. After that, bring the main island part which was previously duplicated and kept it in the 3rd page, and next I will add some stroke style with the stroke weight of 4. Okay, and your design is ready for final adjustment. Make sure you are adding the coconut trees to make a trending effect, which is making a 3D effect again. And I hope you can make similar designs out of this and make your designs better. So hope you like this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more video tutorials like this. Thank you.